Welcome to today's video on using MidJourney to bring interior design ideas to life. In this guide, we're going to explore how to visualize spaces in fresh, dynamic ways, whether you're looking to refresh a cozy reading nook or plan an entire room layout. I'll walk you through 4 unique approaches to designing with MidJourney so you can see how different elements come together to form cohesive, inspiring interiors. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and pro tips to help you get the most out of your design projects. Let's get started. Let's start with one of the most important elements in interior design: color and lighting. Colors and lighting can set the tone for a room like this one, creating an atmosphere that feels warm, cool, bright, or serene. For this example, I'll show you how to use MidJourney to experiment with these elements in a way that brings out a specific mood or aesthetic. Like for example, for my prompt, I'd say I want a minimalist living room and with some earthy tones like beige, clay, and deep green. Also adding warm ambient lighting, and there are a few extra details here and there. And there's the aspect ratio here of 16:9. So let's send this off. So with this prompt, we're inviting MidJourney to play with textures, colors, and lighting, once again, in a specific way. So once again, I would say we're aiming for that cozy, down-to-earth feel with soft, natural light that would complement by warm evening light. And so it all depends on the process with the image rendering. So this might take a bit while, but no worries. With MidJourney, it won't take that long. So just be patient with the image rendering process right here. So just wait a bit while, trust in the process, and we'll see the results. All right. Okay. And as you can see right here, MidJourney gave us a room that really embodies a peaceful, warm vibe. See how just as I described right here? So it really kind of matches there. And there's also earthy tones, the greenery, and gentle lighting all work together to create a natural, inviting atmosphere. See, it's perfect for unwinding. Just imagine that. See? This approach really lets us see how color and light can completely change the mood of a space. See? Look how it's well made with these image. See? Next, let's talk about layout and flow, key aspects of a functional interior. A room's layout can make a big difference in how a space is used and experienced. Here, we'll use MidJourney again to map out different arrangements that prioritize both flow and functionality. All right, here's the prompt right here. Say, want a open concept kitchen and dining room. There's a large center island with a marble countertop, modern bar stools, so on and so forth. Here are the rest of the details right here. Once again, we're going to go with the aspect ratio of 16:9, and then send this off now. All right, so with this prompt, we're focusing on creating a layout that not only looks stylish, but is also functional for everyday use. We're prompting MidJourney. This is currently processing to highlight the transition between spaces to ensure a real smooth flow with that room. All right, here are the results. As you can see, now it's all complete. So MidJourney really shows us a beautifully open layout that makes it easy to move between cooking and dining areas, as you can see. See? Look, this is a great visual for ensuring the space is both functional and spacious, thus creating a modern yet welcoming flow without compromising on design. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now let's look at how statement pieces and focal points can add personality and style to any space. These elements draw attention and can become the centerpiece that ties the entire room together. We'll use MidJourney once again to place some bold, eye-catching pieces that give the room a unique character. So here's the prompt that I'll be doing for this segment. Yep, I'll be doing a modern living room with a large, vibrant, abstract mural on one wall, mid-century velvet armchair in deep emerald green. And yep, there's the rest of the details right here. Once again, aspect ratio 16:9. Okay, let's hit enter right now. Okay, just wait for the image rendering to process. And so, by introducing a bold mural, a striking emerald armchair, and metallic finishes, this prompt brings a touch of boldness and personality to a room that could otherwise feel plain. So, it all depends on the results of the image rendering and see how would the modern living room that I would request it through my prompt would look like. And so the process may take a bit while, so just be patient, though it might not take longer than you'd expect. Okay, feel like it might be finished by then. All right, there we go. Just wait for a bit, and then it's all fully focused. Here we have it. So MidJourney has provided a space that feels both sophisticated and unique. The statement pieces give the room character, thus making it memorable and inviting. See, with the mural right here, and the velvet chair over here, and the coffee table, yeah, see how it stands out with the room all together? So this combination of focal points adds a lot of personality while still feeling cohesive with the rest of the designs. Here's one more right here. See how it's similar and it gives off that personality of the room. See? Finally, let's explore how textures and materials can add depth and dimension to a room. Using a variety of textures can make a space feel more inviting and visually interesting. So here we'll have a prompt that MidJourney could create a design that layers different materials and textures to add that extra touch. And so here's the prompt. Right over here, I would say cozy bedroom. See how each detail that focuses on the material itself and the texture. See that? Notice each of the details right here. All right. Now, once again, aspect ratio 16:9 and hit enter for the image rendering process to begin. Alrighty. So, by focusing on specific textures like wood, knits, and wool, so we're guiding MidJourney to design a space that feels warm and inviting. So each material adds a different layer of texture, thus enhancing the room's tactile and visual appeal. So, once more, this process of the image rendering might take a while. So the longer we wait for this process, the better with the quality of the images might turn out. So we'll see. We'll see what the results will be. Oh, alrighty. And here's the final look. Right now, fully focused. And yep. So MidJourney created a bedroom right over here that truly emphasizes warmth through textures. See, the details are in there. The combination of wood, wool, and knits. This gives the space a cozy layered feel, ideal for creating a relaxing, intimate atmosphere. Let's go through the last two. So, this approach is a fantastic way to add personality and warmth to any room. So, thanks for joining me on this interior design journey using MidJourney. Hope you're inspired to try these ideas in your own space, whether it's adding a cozy reading nook or designing a whole kitchen layout. And so, with that, we'll see you on the next video. Bye, everyone.